Hello everyone, this is a quick sound of the hub of the Fulcrum Racing Quattro, and as you see in the background I also have the giant PC PSLRs. I'll probably be making a video for that one too. For now, it's on my Evo. Here you go. So just so everyone could know, these wheels are buttery smooth. I tried them out on some hills up here in the valley, Lakeview Terrace. Definitely recommend it. My front wheel, I'm actually running a Mavic Serum SR on the front, but the back, I definitely see a big difference on speed. Definitely the 35 millimeter section really helps out on windy days, which is awesome. So I give it a 5 stars. All right, you guys have a good one.